Everyone, welcome back to Kitchen of Flavors. Today I'm going to show you how to make a different kind of rus Bukhari. Here I have 2 tablespoons of ghee and a bit of oil mixed together. I've kept it on the heat so it can melt. Once it melts, we're going to add some pilau spices. These are mixed. We have some bay leaves, some cloves, some black pepper. So we're going to put that inside and fry. We are just going to fry this a bit so it can get an aroma like for about a minute. This is just supposed to bring out the nice aroma in our rus Bukhari. As you can see, it's already fried. Now I'm going to add my onions. I have one large chopped onion. I have a bit of coriander mixed with the carom leaves and some mint leaves. Then I also have 3 large green chilies. I'm going to put it all inside. Now I'm going to fry this. I'm going to fry them for about 5 to 10 minutes till they become golden brown. We're not going to make them too dark. The onions have become light brown already. We're not going to let them cook more. I'm going to put these are 2 finely chopped tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to let them fry. So I have kept 2 large finely chopped tomatoes in my onions to fry, and I have 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste as well. We are going to let them fry just for 2 minutes. We don't want them to get burnt. The tomatoes have fried. Now I'm going to put 1 liter of water inside. I'm going to now put my spices in. I'm going to put 2.5 teaspoons of salt. Half teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of dana jeera, and 1 teaspoon of pilau masala. I'm going to give it a quick stir. Now I have 3 chopped potatoes over here. I'm going to put them inside. This is how you're going to chop them. And here I have a quarter kilo of boiled peas. I'm going to let that cook in with the potatoes. We're going to let it cook for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes already. As you can see, it's my food is boiling. Now I'm going to add 6 cups of water inside because I am making 3 cups of rice. You can add the amount of water you desire according to how many cups of rice you're making. So that goes in. Then I have 3 grated carrots here, and I'm going to put them inside. Now I'm going to add my 3 cups of rice inside. I had already washed my rice, so now I'm just going to give it a stir. And we're going to let it cook but we'll keep checking on it to taste whether the spices are okay or not, and if the rice is cooked or not. So my roast Bukhari is boiling. The rice is half cooked. I just checked it. When your rice is half cooked, make sure you check if the spices are okay or not. If you feel the spices are less, you can add salt, pilau masala, or dana jeera. I had to add a bit of salt in mine, and this is how it looks. I still have to let it cook till the rice is fully cooked, and then we'll do the rest. Now going to keep 1 cup of French beans in it. Give it a quick stir and let it cook. So we're going to now simmer our roast Bukhari on medium heat by just covering it till the water dries up. So my roast Bukhari is ready. As you can see, it looks so yummy. It's really calling me to come and eat it. So what you can do after making this, if you want to, you can make any dry dish with it. Like you can make dry peri peri chicken, you can make dry pusin chicken, you can make dry meat, you can make fish, you can make steak, anything you wish, or you can just have it like that. It tastes really amazing, and it's very good like when you have guests and you want a quick meal but something yummy and tempting, then this is what you can do. I hope you guys try this recipe. If you do try it and it does sound nice, let me know in the comments. Please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't. Also don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.